Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to make green chutney for Chaat recipes. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup coriander leaves, 1 green chili. If you want it to be spicy, you can add more. Half teaspoon jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 4 tablespoons water and salt as needed. We just have to add all the ingredients to the blender and blend it until it's smooth. If you want the green chutney to be thick, we can always add less water. Green chutney is ready. We can serve this with all kinds of Chaat recipes. Try this recipe and send your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.